Hello guys, so today I decided to do a video about my hair, just a quick update in terms of how I'm liking it and length and issues and exciting things, etc, etc. So basically I started my microlocs in August or late July, I want to say. So it will be about 10 months that I've had them in. I think that this is probably one of the easiest hairstyles that I've had. I mean, I've had regular locks before when I was in university or my undergrad years, and I loved them because I didn't have to do anything to my hair my entire time in university, and it made a lot of sense then because of the fact that, I don't know, budget wise and time wise, I was like, the last thing I want to think about when I'm in school is my hair. So I started my locks then before I got to university. And similarly, this time around, I was obviously about to have a baby, and I thought, yeah, what is the sort of hairstyle that could look, reasonable and, stylish, but then also low maintenance. I wanted to go with microlocs because, or sisterlocs, because the versatility that I saw with other people's locks, like when I had regular locks, I couldn't wear like a wig or I couldn't braid my hair or blah blah blah. I was kind of confined to that same look. I mean, nowadays I think people are more creative with their locks, but at the time there wasn't that many hashtag inspos, hair inspos out there. So yeah, anyway, so I decided to go with microlocs for that reason. I didn't even really consider the sister lock thing. From what I understand, and I know there's some hardcore sister lock people out there, but, and you can correct me if I'm wrong, but from what I understand, it's sister locks are basically, or microlocs are basically sister locks. It's just that sister locks, it's a specific technique that they use, or it's the certification that they use, like the professionals use. So essentially microlocs are a DIY version of sisterlocs in some way, if that makes sense. So that means they might not come out as precise and pristine as what a professional doing them would look like. So anyways, that's my understanding, but if someone else knows more information about that, yeah, you can share that. But anyway, so I got them done and it took me a long time, and I'll put a video up here somewhere of, or in the description below, of when I initially installed them. It took me a couple of days, if I recall, and I was very pregnant at the time, so it's a miracle that I was even able to do it. But since then, this is kind of where I've come to. I'm really enjoying them. They have started budding now, meaning, they're kind of frizzy now, like, if you can see properly. Yeah, they're kind of frizzy. And I really like that look. Like, it gives it more volume. And that's the other reason I wanted microlocs, because of the volume that they give versus like regular locks. I feel like if you don't have that much hair, they kind of just fall flat. But these kind of give you a chance of having a fuller head of hair. So yeah, so I'm loving that they're budding. And in terms of like the length, I haven't really done real length checks. I feel like obviously my hair must have grown this last little while, but maybe we can do the length check right now. Yeah, so the back is there. Okay, it's about there. And then the side. And that's the side. And then the front. Yeah. just chin level, I guess. And then the middle feels like it's shorter. I feel like it's because I sleep on my back quite a bit. I don't know how we can measure that, but this is what okay. I mean, that should be good enough. So in terms of the length, I'm pretty happy with the length. I can actually get more length when after I do my wash. I sometimes will twist my hair, so do two strand twists, and that allows, and then I kind of let it dry like that, and so that allows the hair to kind of stretch out a little bit more. But to be honest, I don't really mind this length. Like, this is pretty good in terms of, this is the, you know, post-wash length, if that makes sense. Like, I haven't deliberately stretched my hair right now, so it feels okay. It doesn't feel super shrunken. But yeah, like I really am happy with this. And then what else can I tell you? Oh yeah, in terms of my maintenance, this is pretty much it. This is the tool that I use to tighten my locks. I will do a separate video about retightening. I'm due for retightening soon, I think. But essentially, this is all that you need. And I'm also sometimes using this. I'm using this more sparingly now. This is just a regular oil. I mean, sometimes I feel my hair is pretty dry, like now. I feel like my hair is pretty dry, and so I sometimes use this, and I also sometimes use this. I don't use these products as much anymore, but I probably should now, because I wash my hair pretty much every day now, because I'm working out pretty much every day, and so I hate the feeling of sweaty hair. I noticed, especially with this product, that it was leaving buildup in my hair, so I still have some white bits in there because of this product, I think, because it's a pretty creamy product. It really works really well, so your hair is super moisturized and it feels not too heavy on the hair, but for sure it leaves buildup if you don't wash your hair every day. And shampoo wise, I'm using this. This is just the regular Head and Shoulders shampoo, because again, I think when I was pregnant I had a lot of dandruff, so I just started using this, and I'm just gonna keep using it until it finishes. Then I'll see what else I'll use next. And then this is what's it called, a clarifying shampoo. So this is the one that most people online use, Talia Waheed. When I searched about locks, this is what I found, and it really does strip all your hair off any oils. So I don't use this often. I think I'd say I use this once a month. And yeah, that's pretty much all I've used on my hair. Oh, and the other thing I've used on my hair so far has been this hair dye from Lush. It's the Marron version. And I used half of it last time, and it was more than enough, and I think I'm gonna actually finish it this weekend. It says that it's like a natural dye for deep chestnut tones. I don't know, my hair pretty much, I didn't see the sort of color in my hair, but I did see that my hair texture changed quite a bit. Not texture, my hair volume changed, so it got much more full and it seemed healthier. So I did like it from that perspective, but I'll do a separate video about that specific product, because yeah, like I liked it for other reasons than hair color, if that makes sense. What else can I tell you about my hair? Yeah, that's pretty much how the hair is going. It's past my 10-minute mark for my video at this point, so I need to wrap this video up. But yeah, overall I'm really enjoying having my hair like this, and it's so perfect if you're busy and you know don't really want to stress yourself about hair. I'm looking forward to trying a different product for my base shampoo, and I will probably start doing that, I don't know, probably next month or something. I still have quite a bit of shampoo in here. And yeah, other than that, I'm not really I don't have anything else to say. Maybe I'll show you guys my hair a little bit more. Yeah, my edges are also so much better than they were. I mean, if those of you who've watched my old videos, you know I did not have any edges whatsoever, but I do have edges now. Well, at least better edges than I did before. I try not to keep my hair up. I try to keep it down most of the time because, yeah, trying to preserve the edges. And because of being pregnant, I think I noticed that I was also experiencing some shedding, but then I also had shedding before I was pregnant, so I don't want to really blame the pregnancy on my hair. But I haven't really done anything about it. I've just kind of continued doing the regular routine that I do, which obviously doesn't change anything. But the shedding seems to be better, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure if it's because of anything I'm doing or because it just is better. I do wanna just try to get into more like treating my hair like maybe every weekend or something like that, so that it just gets better, like the texture gets better in terms of the softness and, you know, that sort of thing. But I do like that my hair has like it's light. It doesn't have weight, like, you know, it has some type of bounce to it, if that makes sense. And I like that. Shows how like clean of product it is. And the other thing about Microlocs, I should say before I end this video, is these little ends, like I'm trying to see if I have any, yeah, like you see I have like little frizzy bits at the ends, like these, like this little thing. So I realized that I shouldn't be pulling them out. I should just kind of leave them like that, because it's like the more I pull them out, the more they become more. So I'm trying to just kind of leave them like that, and I noticed that they get like that whenever I sort of like put my hair and do this. So the more I do this, the more it creates these little specks of hair at the ends and stuff like that. So I'm trying not to do that, so that, you know, I have less of that. So instead I just go like this as much as possible, and then I just kind of brush it down. And yeah, so at night I just wear my bonnet. Most nights, I'd say 90% of the time I do it. Yeah, so I'll wear my bonnet, and then that's pretty much it. Wear my bonnet the next morning, wake up, fluff my hair out. I don't even always put water. Like I said, I'm not using these products anymore. So my routine has been pretty simple in that I just kind of wake up and I just fluff my hair. I should probably spritz some water in the morning, just like you would a plant. But I haven't done it, or I don't do it. I've not thought about it. But yeah, we'll do one final look, and then I will end this video right soon. Okay. Okay, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will hopefully see you guys in the next video. Let me know if you are a micro-locked person yourself, because clearly if you're watching this video, you probably are locked or thinking of it. But yeah, let me know what products are you using in particular, because I'm looking for product recommendations. And if you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to answer. Okay, so other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.